Kabilang din sa mga isyong tinalakay sa pagsalang ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte sa one-on-one interview kasama si Jessica Soho, ang isyu ng paghihimlay sa diktador at dating Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos sa libingan ng mga bayani, ang isyu ng plano ng Amerika na pagpapatalsik sa pwesto kay Duterte at ang bumubuting samahan ng Pilipinas at China. Panoorin po natin ito.
Kamusta na ho kayo?
Mabuti po sa lahat na bagay.
Okay ho. You have embraced this difficult job?
Well, I asked for it. If you think that I'm happy, extraordinarily, inordinately happy, I'll give you, I said, I don't need the position at this time of my life.
Pero wala naman ho kayo syempreng regrets. Too late.
Sana kung binigay ito ng Diyos noong 45 ako.
Ininay ho ni Governor Amy Marcos yung sinabi nyo dati na nag-donate siya sa inyong kampanya. She said, empanada lang daw at saka soft drinks.
Oh, di Indonesia.
Pero sinabi nyo na nagbigay siya ng pera sa inyong kampanya. Pero wala sa sose ninyo.
Pamili nga ng empanada pati Coca-Cola. Hindi ko man alam yung presyo.
Knowing what you know now and on hindsight, wala ho kayong regrets dun sa inyong decision?
I promise it during the debates. I was asked the question, Binay was asked the question, and the rest of everybody there on this stage. Dalawa lang kami ni Binay. Sinabi ko na papayagan. It's not healing the country, it's dividing the country. Okay. At saka ako abogado. Dalawa lang. Sundalo? Sundalo siya. Ngayon, presidente siya. Naging presidente siya. Masama ba siya na presidente? Wala niya sa batas sinabi. Ang alam ko, abogado ako, sinasabi sa amin, kung ano yung nandyan, huwag mong ibahin. Ngayon, Supreme Court, the different interpretation. Of course, I disagree with them. But I will respect it because it comes from the Supreme Court. Okay. Upbeat ako sa economy kasi papasok na ang China. Kasi noon limitado tayo. I have two options. I will go to war and insist on sirain ko yung sa Spratly. Really, tell the Navy, sige, bombahan ninyo. I will go to war or I'll talk. Give me the options now.
But then again, they keep on militarizing itong mga territories that we are claiming ourselves. And then, pinadala pa dun yung kanilang kaisa-isang aircraft carrier ngayon.
Bakit ang Amerikano hindi nagpadala?
Well, they've always been there.
That's the problem. Sos mo di gander, sos mo di kwas. Because I told the Chinese when I was there will be time during my term that we will have to talk about the arbitral
tribunal.
Can that be na maglampas lang ako sa buhay ko?
So, hindi totoo na isi-set aside niyo yung ruling ng International Tribunal? You'll always keep that card close to your chest?
Yes. Ito ganito yan. But I'll tell you now. Patamaraman dyan. What is it? When you begin to extract the oil, which is really money. When you begin to extract the minerals there, sasabihin ko sa kanya, what about me? Hindi tayo dihado. Wala talaga tayong magawa. Because gusto ko man maghira ngayon. Maybe you can ask the new ambassador. I'm willing to declare war against China tomorrow. Okay. But this is not the time.
Kung credible ba sa palagay ninyo itong lumalabas mong balita na may nagbabalak na tanggalin kayo? May blueprint daw, may plot, and it allegedly involves the former ambassador ng Amerika sa Pilipinas.
Well, if you say the ambassador of the United States, it is not really the ambassador of the United States. It's America. Because that ambassador would not move. Alam mo, lahat ng ambassadors, Jessica, or is the US, majority of them, lalo na sa Amerika, their ambassadors are at the same time CIA, ano yan sila, connected. So, wag mo, takot-takotin ako ng auster, kudita. Sabi ko, I do not need, but kung tanong ko kasi kayo, ang predicate is, are you extremely, inordinately, or excessively happy being the President of the Republic of the Philippines? I will answer you.
Are you? No.
I will answer you. I do not need this position at this time of my life. So, ang ano lang naman dyan, ang military, pati police. If you think that you can do better, or if you can solve the problem faster, be my guest. And I will be the one to swear you dyan. I, members of the junta, will run this country back and forth. Bahala kayo dyan.